Ladies, gentlemen, football fans all over the world, my name is TOXIC and this is Football Fan Zone on PHCT Promo TV. Oyana. Alright, we're in the streets of Pitakwa once again and we are looking at the North London derby, the game between Tottenham Hotspur and Arsenal FC. Today was really interesting because a fan got to interview me. I was pissed off. Now let's see how it goes. Oyana. Hey, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with an Arsenal fan and he doesn't look happy. He's leaving the match with some minutes to go. What cost Arsenal the game today so far?
Arsenal they fuck up where? Arsenal is a good team. Arsenal is a very good team.
We are a good team, but our defense seems to be rubbish.
I'm not talking about the defense. Arsenal doesn't have fighting spirit.
Interesting.
Arsenal has good players, but they have a very low mentality when it comes to the playing.
Interesting, and that's what some United fans said about Mkhitaryan. What do you think about the whole? Does it come from the manager?
No. The problem is not coming from the manager. The problem is coming from the team.
Interesting.
Yeah, as a team, everybody need to have the same mindset. Our mindset is the game.
And this is not a normal match. This is the North London derby for crying out loud.
Yes, and maybe they are because they won the first leg. Maybe that's why they are relenting.
You understand?
So, yeah, but what I'm seeing now, this game is not going to end draw. I want Arsenal to lose the game so that they will think of what to do.
Interesting.
In the midfield, we have midfield problem.
There's a hole in there.
Yeah, how can you be playing Eneni? You are playing Wisher. You are playing Xhaka.
So you think the starting lineup was too defensive?
Yes, defensive is too the defense is too poor. Like they are supposed to have a player that is free, so the ball can be moving, but the ball is not moving. So if the ball is not moving, how can we play? We want to score goals. The attackers are waiting. We have good attack, but the passes are not coming. Mesut Ozil as a good midfielder is not working. He's not a marker.
He had a poor game today, very poor game.
His passes are not even going through. So what do we do? So we just need to lose the game for Arsenal to sit up.
What do you think cost Arsenal the game today?
Man, Arsene Wenger just needs to go. That's just my own.
He just needs to go.
He needs to go.
He can't motivate the players. Is that what you think?
As Arsenal is going down by the day, he even bought new players. Look at what Arsenal is playing. As if that man is just gambling with Arsenal football. Oh my God.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are here with a United fan. He watched the game, and what do you think cost Arsenal the match today?
The truth is that they were not aggressive enough.
Interesting.
If you check the whole tackles within the midfield, Arsenal was losing a lot of the balls from the physical aspect. And when you lose the midfield, you lose the game.
Dembele was just bossing everything. He was controlling the midfield.
That's where they lost the game.
Do you think Arsenal needs that kind of player?
Yes.
We lack it, I think.
Yes,
so.
Definitely.
Interesting.
You can get one or two of them that can boss the midfield. That way they will win the match.
So you think it was a case of physicality? We are not physical enough.
If you watch the same game, the same thing happened with Man United. Tottenham were quite very aggressive in the midfield. And if you don't win the aggressive side of a game, you will lose the game. Interesting.
Manchester United is playing who tomorrow?
Newcastle.
Okay, interesting. How do you see that match?
Well, as a fan, we expect Man U to win. But I think they shouldn't take Newcastle for granted. You know,
don't underrate anybody.
Teams that are struggling against relegation, they are actually very much more tricky this time of the season. So I expect them to come up with something different.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are here with our Arsenal fan from before. What do you think cost Arsenal the match today?
I think their performance is below expectation one. And then I also believe it's high time for Arsene Wenger to honorably leave the club.
Honorably leave?
Yes, honorably leave, because the formation from the beginning of the match was so poor.
Yeah.
Playing Enani shows he was ready for defensive game.
Yeah.
I think that's where the problem started. So when he realized himself it was already late to remove Enani and brought in Iwobi, Iwobi should have started. I think that would have been a better result than playing Enani.
It was too little too late. The starting lineup was too defensive. I was disappointed today.
But that's very correct. The starting lineup was the problem of the game. The game was decided in the first half. Good. Although actually the game came second half, but it was decided in the first half.
The trend was set in the first half.
Tottenham were more relaxed playing Arsenal because they know that they have nothing off from at the midfield.
And this is the North London derby for crying out loud. We are supposed to come out attacking, not...
The competitive spirit is lacking in Arsene Wenger. Yeah. So they need a younger coach who will be more eager for trophies.
Who like who?
Maybe just like of Diego Simeone and other young coaches.
Yeah. Yes. I think it's about time. It's about time Wenger left and left us alone.
Of course, that's very correct.
Okay. So what do you think Arsenal needs to do moving forward now?
The only thing moving forward, nothing. The season is already off. The only thing is to call his team in order, make some technical adjustment on the team. They can move, but for now, they're off.
It's looking like we'll finish 6th. How do we get into the Champions League next season?
The Champions League is for him to fall back to Europa.
Full focus on Europa.
Yes, full focus on Europa. But my surprise is that the likes of Aubameyang and Mkhitaryan, I don't know whether.
They were very poor today, I have to say.
No, my own concern is I don't know whether the likes of Aubameyang and Mkhitaryan will be available in Europa. And without them, why would Arsenal go to?
No, Mkhitaryan will play, but Aubameyang is unavailable because he played for Dortmund in the Europa.
Then if Mkhitaryan plays, who will lose up front? Will Lacazette missing chances?
He missed 2 chances when the match was about to end today. I was very pissed off.
It's difficult. As for me, I think I've put Arsenal off. I've put them off for the season. They should prepare towards next season with a new coach, not as a winger.
No Arsenal fan is happy this weekend. What do you think lost Arsenal the match today?
It's a total disappointment for Arsenal because I see that there's no defense. The defense is weak.
Very weak.
Very weak. Very weak. Even the flank, Bellerin side, also disappointment for the club. In fact, the midfield was not doing well, and the goal that these people score was foul goal. No, it's not foul. It's not goal because to place your 2 hands on somebody and push it and headbutt, that ball is.
It's a foul.
It's a foul.
Yeah.
They're supposed to play. They're supposed to.
But you know the goal had been coming. They've been pressing us, and that was the trend. And then they scored. It was expected.
It was a disappointment for Arsenal today, but I don't know. Let them keep on trying. I don't know if they will come out on top 4 in this season. I doubt if they will come out top 4.
I think it's very impossible. What do you think Arsenal needs to do moving forward now?
They need to energize the boys because the boys are not playing well. They are not playing well.
Where do you think energy comes from?
Yeah. Okay. Look at the first half. He put Lacazette on bench, put Iwobi on bench, put Welbeck on bench, play Ameni, play this guy Zaka, another guy, which were they were not playing anything.
Ghost.
But, you know, but the time he make changes, look at the board totally changed.
He was not active.
He was not active. Now, Lacazette chopped 2 goals at the same time. Yeah. So I
think he has lost confidence since Aubameyang came. He has been on the bench.
He has been on bench, but if it is Aubameyang that got that ball, look at the ball Aubameyang scored against Everton. It's a very cheap goal. This goal that Lacazette chopped today is a very cheap goal that Lacazette is supposed to chip and equalize the goal, finish and make everything 1-1.
Yeah, the starting lineup was very poor from Wenger. Do you think he needs to go? Do you think it's time? He just needs to go tomorrow, or he should see out the season?
Wenger?
Yes.
Of course, he needs to go because he's tired.
Okay.
The old man sense is disturbing that guy. He should go. Of course, let them bring fresh person.
Who would you like to see as Arsenal manager?
For now, somebody like Guardiola. It's an energizer.
Yeah.
That guy is an energizer. If he come to Arsenal will totally change.
Yes.
Look at what he's doing in Man City.
Wonderful.
So let Arsenal winger go. Let them bring fresh body in that team so that he can change Arsenal forever.
What can you say about this man that just finished now? Arsenal Tottenham?
I'm a very big Arsenal fan. What I think happened was that the starting lineup was very poor. You can't start a game away from home against a derby team that's very close to you and then play Elneny, Xhaka and Wilshere in the midfield. The midfield was too choke. Our attack, there was nobody there doing anything. Ozil was poor, Mkhitaryan was poor. And we all know the case of our defense. Mustafi is just doing nothing there and Petr Cech has been poor for like a while now. So that's what cost us. The starting lineup was the beginning of our problems today.
If not this lineup, which lineup do you think that Arsenal could have used?
The lineup we used against Everton, Xhaka and Wilshere in place of Ramsey, and then he will be on the left, Mkhitaryan in the middle, Ozil to the right, and then Aubameyang up front.
What happened to Ramsey that did not play the match?
Ramsey is injured. He had an injury in training yesterday, so that's why he wasn't in the lineup today.
What of Iwobi? He did not start the match.
He didn't start the match because obviously Wenger thought he needs to go with a very defensive lineup. That's why he set up his midfield for 5 and then left Aubameyang up there alone. Kept Lacazette, Welbeck and he will be on the bench. For why? That's what I'm saying. Our problem started from the starting lineup and Wenger has been doing this over and over again. Tactical mistakes for important matches like this. This did not London derby for crying out loud. What the fuck is that?
What is the next thing you think Arsenal should do so that I come out to top 4?
Wenger needs to go. That should be agenda number 1. Stan Kroenke, whoever is in charge out there, needs to get everything together because if he keeps killing us like this, I don't see us now going anywhere. We've been declining for a while now. And we've been getting, we might go this midweek now, we are playing in Europa League. We can go and win that team 7-0 and people will forget that Wenger needs to go. But I think it's time. He needs to go now. He needs to go. Tomorrow or this evening, get him a sack letter out.
Wenger has become a problem of Arsenal fans for about some years ago. So why is it that the club cannot drop Arsene Wenger?
I feel, you know, it's just like when you're in a long relationship. When you and woman don't date for like 12 years, nobody go fear in the relationship, even if 2 of them they kill on herself. You understand? So I think nobody wants to make the move. But
Let me answer that question.
So what can you say about Arsene Wenger?
There's a question I want to answer. There was a question he asked him that the club should fire Arsene Wenger. If the club cannot fire Arsene Wenger should fire himself because he should have an integrity.
He needs to man up and go.
He has built a reputation in the club for how many years? More than 20 years. I mean, more than 20 years. Am I right? More than 20 years. He has built a reputation. He was a Champions League final just for once in his life, in his career as a coach for Arsenal. Now, Arsene Wenger as a Europa League player, not more Champions League. So if the club cannot fire him, he should keep his integrity and retire honorably.